How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add more payment methods or payment gateways to your Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and let's say that you guys have set up your dropshipping store or website on Shopify, and you would like to add more payment methods as this gives more flexibility to potential buyers. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to activate the additional payment method setting on Shopify. And to do so, what you guys would want to do is you want to log into your Shopify admin page. So this page right here, and you want to make sure that the URL actually starts with admin.shopify.com. So log in here. Now, once you guys find yourselves on the dashboard, you want to navigate to the settings, usually found on the bottom left of the screen, and click on payments. Now, once you guys find yourselves on the payments page, you want to click on supported payment methods and click on add payment methods, as this activates the additional payment methods for Shopify. Now, when you do, you want to search and select the payment methods by methods or provider. So let's say that you want to add Stripe or Afterpay or something like PayPal to Shopify, then you can do so. So once you've selected which methods to add, click on activate for those methods and enter the account credentials for each provider that you choose. And when you do, simply click on activate and you should be done. Now you've successfully implemented additional payment methods for your dropshipping store on Shopify. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have the YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.